Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got.
Hey, Ken. All right.
So we have 570 grams, or about 6 cups of type 00 flour. It's a specific Italian flour, super fine. Highly recommended if you're trying to make Italian pizzas, like Napolitano style. 5 grams of yeast, 4 to 5 grams, 4.5, 5 grams. And then 12 to 15 grams of salt. Salt is very important. I just don't want to put the full 15 grams in, but if you don't put salt in your flour or in your dough, your crust won't brown right and it won't come out as crispy.
Is it a special kind of salt that you got to put in there? Or?
Oh no, I'm just using pink Himalayan salt.
Okay.
You know, sea salt, kosher salt will
okay.
work. So where I differ and it becomes unauthentic is I add 10 grams of sugar to my 490 grams of water just to give the yeast something to get started on. I just opened a fresh bottle of yeast, so I know it's going to be good, but I just like to have that little extra oomph, that little extra activation with the yeast. It also gives a lot of bubbles to the crust when you cook it up.
Cool. Very cool.
So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to hydrate my yeast and add the sugar and give it a little whisking. What I do with the whisk? Right here.
So I've never seen that before with the sugar. That's unique. You've seen that? Where you learned that from?
I have a lot of bread making, and I'm not a chef, but I'm a very good cook.
Yeah, I can attest to that. He's a very good cook.
A lot of times with yeast, you want to make sure to hydrate it and make sure that it, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and see that a foam rises. And the sugars just help wake up the yeast that much faster.
Yeah.
And this also helps proof the dough a little bit faster.
Oh, cool.
Because they have something to feed on. In general, from my experience, you don't like to add the salt to the water. First, because it can hinder the yeast growth. So you mix your salt in with your flour. I'll use another dry whisk. Oh, this will do. You just mix that in and then put it in the bowl of your food processor. So that's ready to go, and we'll wait 10 to 15 minutes, wait for this to activate, and we'll come back and we'll show you what that looks like after it's done.
Cool.
Alright, so now the yeast is proofed and it's activated, and that's what you're going to look like. The reason you want to activate and proof your yeast before putting it in is if it doesn't come out like this, you don't waste all the flour and salt and stuff. Not that it's that expensive, but if you waste less, you have less to worry about. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to pour this in, and then we're going to mix it for 2 minutes on slow, and then 5 minutes on medium fast, and then 2 minutes on slow. Okay, so here we go. I suppose to get a better camera angle. And this gives you approximately a 65% hydration yeast, for those of you who really want to know.
Alright.
So that's 2 minutes. So now we're going to bump it up to, like 3/4 speed. And let that go for 5 minutes.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, so now we're going to slow it down. Do another 2 minutes.
That dough's looking good.
There we go. So now we're just going to cover that with a damp towel and let it sit for an hour and a half to 2 hours.
You say a damn towel or a damp towel?
A damp towel with a P.
Wait, damp
A damp
towel.
A damp towel. So right now it's about 60 to 62 degrees outside. So this is probably going to have to sit 2+ hours.
Okay.
If it was 75, 80 degrees, 1.5 would work.
Cool. All right, so here is Ken's wooden oven. It's pretty amazing. He got this installed. Let me see. Let me show you this baby. Let's see.
Well, we put it together. Well, we tried to put it up by ourselves.
Yeah,
Had to hire a forklift.
Yeah, that didn't quite work out very well. It was some safety issues, safety concerns that we had with that. Luckily, we're still alive. All right, so here's the. So, what kind of wood do you use here?
This is avocado.
Avocado. Okay.
It burns really, really hot and really clean.
Okay.
Doesn't impart a whole lot of flavor. Red oak imparts more flavor, but it burns slow and not as hot.
Okay. All right. But today we're gonna use the avocado wood, and here's a pizza oven from the inside. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Yeah, you can see it. It's pretty sweet. He's gonna go ahead and get this started.
I just used pine cones from my pine tree and a piece of cotton ball with Vaseline on it.
What do you use the pine cones? Is it for flavor, or is it just to catch on fire?
Just to catch on fire, use
All
as
right.
kindling.
All right, sweet.
Because they go up fast and hot.
Yeah.
And it just helps catch the wood on fire. So get that going nice and good, and throw another log over the top, push it all to the center.
Sweet.
And it'll take about 1.5 hours to 2 hours to come up to 900 degrees.
That's pretty hot. Is that gonna do it?
Well, that'll do it.
That'll do it. All right. All right, go ahead. Here's the pizza for none.
Red sauce.
Who made that sauce?
I did.
King.
Ken made it.
San Marzan tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, oregano, and basil.
Nice.
And a little touch of
And it's gonna cook like right there like that.
Yep, just like that.
In just 1 minute.
How do you put your hand in there?
I don't think so.
Wow.
It's gonna be hot. Gosh, I feel pretty hot right here, right now.
So I'll pull it out after 30-45 seconds and turn it.
Oh, they have butter powder.
Look at that. Look at that pizza cooking. It's already bubbling. My hands are burning right now. Just holding the camera. Oh yeah, she wants pizza. Look at that fire right there. It looks amazing. What a good looking oven. Works well.
No complaints. It's almost 3 years old.
Wow, that heat is radiating.
guess I can get a little closer to the eye.
Yeah. Look at that pizza. That looks amazing. There you go, honey. Your pizza's ready.
Cut.
Okay.
Cut four square. Can I try?
Yeah, you can
You
try.
have to keep rolling, right? How?
Like that, just roll it.
Oh!
Just
How
roll
did
it.
you not cut?
You can't cut it?
Yeah.
Roll it, roll it. There you go. Keep going all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. All the way. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. You excited?
I never cut this before.
Just cut it into quarters. Half and then half again.
Right. All the way through. Very good.
Oh, I can work on pizza company. Huh? You think they can do hire me?
I'm sure they would.
See? Perfect.
Ta-da! Perfecto.
Ready to try.
Oh, here's your margarita.
Oh, thank you.
Hot?
I'm not ready for that. The cheese. Yeah, of course, hot. Good stuff.
You like it? Is it good?
No, have your piece, not mine.
I didn't know that your piece. You approve or no?
Yeah, I like the thin of the dough. You know. I like
The thin dough?
Yeah.
The thin crust?
Yeah, the crunchy when you. Oop,
Ken, that's good,
that
man.
is good.
That crust is amazing, man. That's good. None approves. None approves.
I think I did whole thing, like two of them.
I got enough to make
You make
10 more.
You make another one, or you wait for that?
No, I just pulled the clothes back over the floor, so.
Yeah, good. We had to fight to eat pizza. It's not enough good.
Actually, it's kids gonna too.
Whatever you want, some. Huh?
How's that, Ken?
Yep, definitely doesn't suck.
No, it doesn't suck. That's good. I'll tell you what, if none likes it, she is the pickiest eater. And if she likes it, it's good.